Welcome to the UHN Virtual Training Checklist. This video will help you meet the technical requirements to attend your virtual training. We will refer to this checklist often. A link to it is found with the communication to this video. The checklist link is also found in the video description below. Click the link and scroll down to see the virtual training checklist. This will enable you to meet the technical requirements to attend your virtual training. Number 1. Set up your multi-factor authentication or MFA. If you think you have already completed this step, instructions to test your MFA are shown later in this video. Open the MFA link under Step 1 of the checklist. Enter your username. This will be your UHN email address, for example, firstname.lastname@uhn.ca. If using MyLearning, log in for your username or UPN, found under the Profile tab in the TID section. In the password field, enter your network or TID password. You will be prompted to provide your mobile number, used to text message verification codes during the login process. To test that your MFA has been set up correctly, you can log in to the Office 365 portal at www.office.com. Enter your login credentials and you will be sent a verification code to your mobile device. Use this code to complete the login process. If you need to reset your password, please contact the help desk at 416-340-4357. Number 2. You will need a desktop computer or laptop that is either provided to you by UHN or your own personal device. Note, mobile devices, including iPads, tablets, and cell phones, do not meet the technical requirements for virtual training. Next, install the required software on the personal computer or laptop you will be using for virtual training. If using a UHN device, required software should already be installed. Google Chrome. This is the required web browser. Other web browsers may not function correctly during the setup process and during your virtual training. If you need to download Google Chrome, you can do so from the link provided on the checklist. Click Download Chrome to begin the installation. Microsoft Teams desktop app. As the web version does not meet the technical requirements for training, you must download and install the Microsoft Teams desktop app. You can do so from the link provided in the checklist. Click the Download button to start the installation. Citrix Workspace. The Citrix Workspace is required to access the UHN Clinical Applications portal. Using Google Chrome, find the Citrix Workspace link from the checklist and select either the Windows or Mac version, depending on your device. Click Download the Citrix Workspace app. When the download is complete, it will appear in the bottom left corner of the Google Chrome browser. Click the installer and follow the installation prompts. Once installed, you can access the Clinical Applications portal. Note, the Citrix Workspace will run in the background of your computer and does not require an additional login. Let's test your access to the UHN Clinical Applications portal. Using Google Chrome, go to mydigitalapps.uhn.ca. In the email address field, enter your UPN or your UHN email address. In the password field, enter your network or TID password. Click Verify My Account. This will send the verification code to your multi-factor authentication device. Once logged in, accessible clinical applications will be listed under the All or Categories tab. Access to the clinical applications training environments is often provided on or just before training dates. We also recommend the following for your day of training: a full keyboard and mouse. Working from a laptop trackpad and keyboard for an entire class may be uncomfortable. Two-way communication. Using personal headphones or earbuds with a microphone will meet this requirement, as well as standalone speakers or microphones. Audio equipment will not be provided, even when using UHN devices. A reliable internet connection. A quiet, distraction-free location and a comfortable chair. A second monitor is beneficial, but not required. If using a second monitor, set the scale and layout to 100% for training on Citrix applications. On the day and time of your training, open your UHN email and go to your calendar. Open the class appointment and click the MS Teams meeting link. Click Open Microsoft Teams when prompted to use the desktop app. When training is completed on shared computers, be sure to log off the UHN network, your UHN email, MS Teams, or any other applications you may have logged into. Protect your privacy. If your training is through MyLearning, log in to test that your MyLearning ID and password are working. Click the link from the checklist under Step 3. Enter your username. Your username is UHN plus your employee ID number. Next, enter your password and click Sign In. If you experience any technical issues and require further assistance, contact the help desk at 416-340-4357 or via email at help@uhn.ca. Thank you for watching the UHN Virtual Training Checklist video. You now have everything you need to be successful in your virtual training.